हेलो फ्रेंड, आज मैं आपको मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन का थर्ड मेथड ग्राफिकल मेथड को डिस्कस करने वाला हूं। अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा तो आप मेरे इस चैनल को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि मैं आपको जब वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपको इंटीमेशन मिल सके। थैंक यू। हमको मत लेना। सी एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 6, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. एक्स माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Okay, now solve this equation by graphical method. Okay, so first equation x plus y equal to 6, therefore y equal to 6 minus x. Okay, here हम यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और y का वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. इफ x इक्वल टू 1, then y equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, if x equal to 2, then y equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, मिनिमम 10 पॉइंट्स लेना है आपको. इफ x इक्वल टू 0, देन y इक्वल टू 6 माइनस 0 इक्वल टू 6. वन मोर पॉइंट, इफ x इक्वल टू 3, देन y equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Your first point 1, 5. Second point 2, 4. Third point 0, 6. And fourth point 3, 3. First point 1, x equal to 1, then y equal to 5. Second point x equal to 2, y equal to 4. Third point x equal to 0, y equal to 6. And fourth point x equal to 3, y equal to 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Now second equation, x minus y equal to 4, therefore minus y equal to 4 minus x. Multiply both sides by minus. Therefore, y equal to minus 4 plus x. We can write this equation like this: y equal to x minus 4. Okay. Now put value of x and find corresponding value of y. First, if x equal to 1, then y equal to x equal to 1. Okay, so 1 minus 4, y equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. Second, if x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. Third, if x equal to 0, then y equal to 0 minus 4, this is equal to minus 4. Okay. Next point, if x equal to 3, 3, then y equal to minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Okay, here first point is 1 minus 3, second point 2 minus 2, and third point 0 minus 4, and fourth point 3 and minus 7. Okay, here 4.1, 2, 3, 4. Now these points put in a box. Here x, y, x comma y. Here equation x plus y equal to 6. Here x equal to 1, y equal to 5, 1 comma 5. 2, here 4, 2 comma 4. X equal to 0, y equal to 6, 0 comma 6. When x equal to 3, y equal to 3, 3 comma 3. Okay, this is the fourth order pair of first equation. Now fourth order pair of second equation, x, y, x comma y. When x equal to 1, y equal to minus 3, 1 comma minus 3. When x equal to 2, y equal to minus 2, 2 comma minus 2. When x equal to 0, y equal to minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. Okay. When x equal to 3, y equal to minus 7, 3 comma minus 7. Okay. This is for equation number 2. Equation number 2 is x minus y equal to 4. Okay. This box for equation number 1 and this box for equation number 2. Okay. Now see graph. Here in this equation, here we take x equal to minus 3. Okay. Then y equal to minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7. Okay. So fourth point is minus 3 and minus 7. Here x equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 7. Here minus 3 minus 7. Okay. Now see graph. Now see first point is x equal to 1, y equal to 5. X equal to 1 and y equal to 5. This is the first point. 1 comma 5. Second point, x equal to 2, y equal to 4. 2, y equal to 4. Third point, x equal to 0 and y equal to 6. Okay. Fourth point, 3, x equal to 3, y equal to 3. Okay. Now join these points. See. This is line of x plus y equal to 6. Now second equation, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 3. Here 1 minus 3. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 2. Third, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 4. X equal to 0, y equal to minus 4, this point. 4, x equal to minus 3 and y equal to minus 7, this point. Okay. Now join these points. Like this. Okay, this line is equation of x minus y equal to 4. Now first line and second line intersect on this point. Okay, now coordinate of this point is x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. X equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Therefore, solution of this equation is x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Therefore, solution of given simultaneous linear equation is x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. ओके, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू.